Sawmill accepts men.
Sawmill accepts men.
Sawmill accepts women.
Sawmill accepts the lesbian community.
Sawmill accepts the leather community.
Sawmill accepts the leather community.
Sawmill accepts the pup community.
Puppies.
Trans women.
Sawmill accepts trans women.
Sawmill accepts trans men.
Sawmill accepts trans.
Sawmill accepts non-binary people.
Sawmill accepts non-binary people.
Sawmill accepts twinks.
Sawmill accepts bears.
Sawmill accepts the poly community.
Sawmill accepts people of color.
Sawmill accepts people of color.
Sawmill accepts people of color.
Sawmill acepta
a nosotros los latinos.
Sawmill accepts drag queens.
Thanks, guys. As you can see, Sawmill accepts everyone. Vote for us.
Vote for us.
Vote for us. Vote for us.
Vote for us.
Vote for us.
Vote for us.
Vote for us.
Vote for us. Vote for us.
Vote for Sawmill. Vote for Sawmill.
Vote for Sawmill.
Vote for Sawmill.
Vote for Sawmill.
Vote for Sawmill.
Vote for Sawmill.
Voten por nosotros. Vote for us.